Natural supplements, the common belief.
Many people believe that if a supplement is labeled natural, it must be safe and better for health. This idea is so widespread that natural options are often chosen over synthetic ones, with the expectation they carry fewer risks. But is this belief supported by science and real-world evidence? Let's take a closer look at the facts.
What does natural really mean?
The term natural can be misleading. It simply means the product comes from plants, minerals, or animal sources, not that it is harmless or beneficial. Substances like arsenic and poison ivy are natural, but clearly unsafe. The safety and effectiveness of a supplement depend on more than its origin.
Potential risks and side effects.
Natural supplements can interact with medications, cause allergic reactions, or trigger side effects. For example, St. John's wort, a popular herbal remedy, can interfere with antidepressants and birth control pills. Even common supplements like ginseng or garlic may affect blood clotting. Natural does not necessarily mean risk-free.
Regulation and quality concerns.
Unlike prescription medicines, many natural supplements aren't strictly regulated for safety or purity. This means doses can vary, and products may contain contaminants. Without quality controls, the actual contents might not match the label, raising risks for consumers looking for safer alternatives.
Choosing supplements wisely.
Before trying any supplement, natural or otherwise, research it carefully and consult a healthcare professional, especially if you take other medications or have health conditions. Look for evidence-based information and reliable brands. Remember, natural does not automatically equal safe or effective. Informed choices support your health best.